Good morning. This is just a simple video. I'm just going to compare what I call a typical residential snowblower, the Troy-Bilt Storm 2860, against a commercial snowblower, and that's going to be the Ariens RapidTrak 28. I just want to give you an idea what the capacity is of these. It's not a competition. It's just a comparison, so you can see what you get when you spend your money. So we'll take a look at the Troy-Bilt first. I'm going to make a pass down here towards the camera. Look at the snow going through the housing, and if you see snow piling up in front of the housing, that just means that the snowblower doesn't have as much capacity for the amount of snow I'm trying to put through it. The Troy-Bilt Storm 2860 is what I call a typical residential snow thrower. It's got a 243cc engine on it, 28 inches. It's got a 12-inch impeller, and a nice chute, and a 12-inch closed flight or auger system on it. So take a look and watch it to see if snow piles up in front of the machine. That means that I'm pushing the snowblower harder than what you can push snow through it. When I'm done with that, then I'll take and put it up against the Ariens RapidTrak. That's got a 420cc engine on it, 14-inch impeller, and 16-inch auger. So this is not a competition, it's just a comparison. So let's go from here. All right, next we'll do the Ariens RapidTrak. That's also a 28-inch machine and a 420cc motor on it, and 14-inch impeller and 16-inch ribbon auger. So let's take a look at the difference.